Let's get into a couple of features about saving. Before I start, one frequently used shortcut that I'll be using is Command B. It toggles the bar over here. So let's get into how to change the save mechanism. So you do have autosave. It needs to be turned on usually. Just go to preferences, go to settings. There are two things here called user settings and workspace settings. Go to workspace settings and here put so you can have autosave. It can be off on changes or with a delay. I like to set it to after delay and set the time to 10 seconds. This is in milliseconds. So I've set it to 10 seconds. And when I make a change, you can see the changes. It's gone, the circles come, but after 10 seconds it'll save and you'll just see a cross. Of course, Command S will manually save it also. Another feature in Visual Studio is that when you exit, Visual Studio remember all the unsaved changes and keep them as it is when you come back. So if you just exit using like quit Visual Studio Code, it'll remember all the unsaved changes for you.